This is Lisa from Mobile Tech Review, and welcome to my woman cave here. So this is the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 that I reviewed. If you haven't seen that review and you would like to see the review, use the channel search, it's there. But how do you actually support this thing, right? When I reviewed it, it just had the two little snap-out feet that don't give you very much rise. And Wacom's original option was the Ergo Stand, which is a $500 stand that sat on the desk. So for more flexibility and a lower cost, this is the Wacom Ergo Flex Arm. They developed this in conjunction with Ergotron, the name in making Ergo arms to mount on here. So for those who are familiar with the Cintiq Pros, you know that they don't have standard VESA mounts. It's a much bigger mount point area. So that's what's different about this and about the need for this. You can't just use any old Ergotron style arm and VESA mount on it. Secondly, it's $379.95. So it's significantly cheaper than the desk stand while being a lot more literally flexible, if you get what I mean. So, you know, you can go up and down and swivel. We're going to show you all that stuff now. So the Ergo Flex Arm is compatible with both the 24-inch and the 32-inch Cintiq Pros, with or without the Cintiq Engine inside, which is the removable PC that goes in the slot on the back. Pretty cool there. So the idea here is that you can set the amount of tension. There's a tension adjustment screw on this as to how hard it is to move. It's very firm. Let me tell you. So if you want to bring it down, you just say, I want to be working like this. It's very comfortable. If I want to swivel it more, I can swivel it just like that. All the things that you would expect. The thing is built in a bulletproof, yet kind of luxurious way. I never thought I'd say such nice things about an arm, but you can see right here, this has a soft touch finish, because this is the area that you might want to grab. The easiest way to, if you like heavy tension like I do, to move it up and down is to grab it over here, though you don't have to. As you saw, I just grabbed it by the size of the display. So it comes in three pieces. We got the arm here, we have the arm here. This just drops into this section. It's really easy to put together. We have the desk mount with your usual double clamp on design. So you want to have a reasonably sturdy desk, and it has to have a kind of uniform lip like this desk happens to. And then there's the big plate that goes onto the back of the Cintiq. Bunch of mounting screws that are on the back here. As you can see, that's a pretty beefy plate. So this thing is not going to go anywhere, which is very nice. Supports any range of motion that you want, 30 inches of reach across the desk. So you can do this, which is nice. Sometimes I like to stand up. Or this is actually a standing desk that we're going to review. So I bring it up and I work like that. You can do that just fine. If you want to work in portrait mode, there's actually a lock in case you don't want to rotate to portrait by accident when you're grabbing it. I do sometimes like to have portrait. So you just grab it. And just like that, you're working in portrait mode, right? So it's pretty much everything you'd expect from a stand. This is not cheap. Even Ergotron name brand stands are not. But I have to say, this thing is super duper beefy, versatile, easy to use. It is exactly what I wanted actually for the Cintiq Pro, much more than the Ergo Stand that goes on the desk. There are little Velcros over here for your cable retention system, and this power brick actually that you see right by the base of the Ergo Stand is for the Cintiq Pro. Obviously, you don't have to have it over here. So this is pretty much a two Allen key affair. When you drop this into this, you tighten it up using this Allen key right here. And then the bigger one is for the adjustments, say, over here, where you can adjust the tension on it as to how much effort it takes to drop it up and down. So that's the Wacom Ergo Flex Arm for the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 and 32-inch. And would I buy this thing? For sure. I mean, yes, you've already spent at least $2,000 and up for one of these things. You need a way to use it that's more ergonomic than the built-in little flippy feet. Obviously, it ain't cheap, but boy, it does everything that you could possibly want. It's super sturdy. This thing will stay in place even if you're leaning on it. Like that. Yeah. I'm Lisa from Mobile Tech Review. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more cool tech videos, including Tech for Artists. And thumbs up if you like this vid.